Good morning, dear students. I hope everyone is doing very well. Let's continue chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Today, in this class, we are going to solve two questions from exercise 2.2, question number 4 and question number 5. Question number 4 is, sum of two numbers is 95. If one exceeds the other by 15, find the numbers. Students, here you see that in this exercise, we are given some application based questions where we are given certain situations and we are supposed to convert those situations into linear equations in one variable, and after that, after converting it into a linear equation in one variable, we have to solve the equation and we have to find what we are supposed to calculate. Okay, in the previous exercise, in exercise 2.1, we were given linear equations and we directly solved them and we got the solution of the equation. But here, linear equations are not given, but certain conditions are given. We first need to read them. We need to frame a linear equation in one variable, and after that we'll solve it. So here the question says that there are two numbers and one exceeds the other by 15, and we have to find the numbers, both the numbers. So students, we need to assume the numbers, we need to suppose and assume them. So I am going to assume that if one number is x, then what would be the another number? They are saying that another number exceeds the previous number, exceeds the first number. So what does exceed means? It means greater than. Okay, so if I say that one number exceeds the other, it means that one number is greater than the other by 15. So if one number is x, then what would be the another number? The another number will be x plus 15. So I have assumed two numbers here. First is x, another is x plus 15. Now they are saying that the sum of two numbers is 95. Now using this concept, using this information, I am going to frame the linear equation in one variable. Let's see that. So here I have written what I have assumed. What I assumed, one number to be x and another number to be x plus 15. Now according to the question, students, the sum of both the numbers is 95. So I have written it here. You have a look at it carefully. X plus 15 is equal to 95. Now I have got the linear equation here. Now what I have to do, I have to solve this to get to know the solution of it, to get to know the value of x, and using the value of x I will be able to calculate the numbers I am looking for. So on solving this equation, look at all the steps carefully, students. Here look at all the steps here. You see that I have solved, I have transposed, I have subtracted, and finally on division, on dividing, I have got the value of x, which is equal to 40. Okay, this is the value of x. So finally x was the first number. So the first number which I have got is 40, and the second number I assumed was x plus 15 because it was greater than the first one by 15. So I have substituted the value of x in this expression, and it is 40 plus 15 and it has given me 55. So 55 is the another number. So that's how we have solved, and we have found the two numbers for which the situation, the condition was given to us. So I hope you have understood, students. Now the next question is question number 5. It is also very easy, students. We are going to do it very quickly. The question is, two numbers are in the ratio 5:3. If they differ by 18, what are the numbers? Again, there are two numbers. The condition is little different from the previous one. They are in the ratio of 5:3 and they are differ by 18. Differ by 18 means the difference of both of them is 18 and we have to find the numbers. So let's see how are we going to solve it. So here, since the ratio of numbers is 5:3, so I have assumed the numbers to be 5x and 3x. So first number is 5x and another number is 3x. Now according to the question, the difference of both of them is 18. Okay, so 5x minus 3x is equal to 18. This equation is according to the question. The linear equation which is formed here is absolutely according to what is given to us in the question. They differ by 18. So their difference is equal to 18. Now on solving this, I have got 2x equals to 18. Finally, I have got the value of x which is 9 here. Let's now find the two numbers. So the first number we assumed was 5x. I have substituted the value of x over here and I have got 45 as the first number. The second number was 2x. Again, on substituting the value of x, I have got 27. So that's how I have got both the numbers for which the difference was given to me and for which the ratio was given to me. So students, you have multiple questions in exercise 2.2 where you will be first framing a linear equations in one variable after reading out the situation, and then you will solve it and you will calculate what you are asked for. So hope you have understood these two questions. Write them, complete them, write them in your maths copies, and thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.